Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla and today we'll start question number 6 of exercise 11.3 of chapter 11 perimeter and area of class 7th. Here in question number 6, Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost of 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15 here. And also it is given that we have to use pi as 3.14. So what is asking here? Now Sema wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table. See here, see, let's suppose this is the top of a circular table and she wants to put a lace on its corner here, on its edges. She wants to put a lace here only. So you can see here that what she want to do, she want to put a lace here on this circular's edge. Fine. So what is saying here, that in this sum, so what we'll do here, first of all, as this she want to put its this one lace on its corner. So what we'll do, we'll find out here circumference of the circle, because we are going to talk about the boundary here. We're not going to use this one internal portion. We're going to talk about the boundary. So boundary mean it is representing the circumference. So here first of all find out the circumference of the circular table top. So let's start now, and it is given that its diameter is 1.5 meter. So what we'll do here, first of all find out that from the radius from the diameter. So diameter of a circular table cover is 1.5 meter and the radius of the circular table cover is 1.5 meter divided by 2. Then as according to sum we have to find out the circumference. So the circumference of the circular table cover is 2 pi r. Will apply this formula. Then here that is 2 and we'll use here pi as 3.14 because it is given to us that we have to use here pi as 3.14. So put here, then into r is 1.5 by 2. And after simplification, we can cancel both here. We got here 4.71 meter. Then after that, what is saying here, that also find its cost of 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15. That means it is given that if we use here the 1 meter lace and we'll spend there 15 rupees, but we have to check that if the lace, this one is used as 4.1 meter, the lace is required to make the edge of the circular table to cover it. So what we want that how much cost she has spent to purchase 4.71 meter lace here. Fine. So what we'll do here, so let's start it now. Now the cost of the 1 meter lace is rupees 15. It is given already. And now what we have to find out, that how much money she has spent on purchasing the lace of length 4.71 meter. So what we'll do, we'll multiply this one length with the rupees 15. And after multiplication we got here, the answer is rupees 70.65 paise. So this shows that the cost of 4.71 meter lace is rupees 70 and 65 paise. So this is the criteria to simplify the question number 6. Now let's start next question number 7. Here see what is given. Find the perimeter of a adjoining figure. See, this one diagram is given to us and they're asking to find out the perimeter of this adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. You can see here this one is representing a semicircle and this is the diameter, and the length of diameter is given as 10 centimeter here. So what is saying here, he is asking to find out the perimeter of this. Mean to say we have to find out the length of this complete boundary, means semicircle circumference then plus the diameter, and after that we'll give the answer here. So what is saying here, the diameter of semicircle we use here as 10 centimeters given, and we know that if the diameter is given then we can find out the radius. So radius of the semicircle is what, 10 divided by 2, because we know that the radius is always half of the diameter. So right here it is 5 centimeter here. And now what we'll do here, as we have to find out the perimeter of the adjoining figure, so what to do here, we'll find out the perimeter of the semicircle, or you can say the circumference of a semicircle plus the length of the diameter here. Fine. So as the perimeter of the semicircle, that is 2 pi r divided by 2, because we know that circle's complete circumference is 2 pi r, but this is the semicircle, so we will divide it by 2 here. Fine. So that's what it is here, 2 pi r by 2, and then diameter is 10 here, so plus 10. Fine. So we can cancel 2 and 2, and here you can see the value of pi is not given to us, so we can use here pi as directly as 22 by 7. And Now r is here as 5 plus 5. Now what will do plus 10 here? Then what will do here after that? Now after simplification we got here that 22 into 5, that is 110 by 7 plus 10. We'll take LCM here and we'll simplify it. It is here 180 by 7, and after that you can also convert into decimal form. It becomes here 25.71 centimeter. And as what is saying here, find the perimeter of the joining figure. So therefore the perimeter of the joining figure is 25.71 or 71 centimeter. So in this way you can simplify your question number 7. Now next, see question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular table top of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square, and we have to take pi as 3.14. So see what is asking here, that find the cost of polishing the circular table top. Mean to say here, let's suppose this is a circular table top here and we have to polish. Mean to say now we'll not discuss about the boundary, we will discuss about the internal portion here. Means we will polish this one part here, and this is representing the area. Fine. It means we have to find out the area of the circle here. So what is given here? The diameter is given as 1.6 meter. So what we'll do here, from diameter we'll find out the radius of the circle. So the radius of the circular tabletop is here 1.6 divided by 2, that is 0.8 meter. And after that, as we have to find out the polishing area here, so we'll find out the area of the circular tabletop, that is pi r square. And just remember one thing, as the value of pi is given 3.14, you use it here and put r as 0.8 square. Now open it, and after multiplication we got here 2.0096 meters square, and this is the area of the circular tabletop. And now what is asking here, if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square, it means we have to find out the cost, that how much cost they have spent on it. So let's start now further. Now the cost of 1 meter's polishing is rupees 15, it is given to us. And now what we have to find out, we have to find out the cost of this much portion here. So the cost of 2.0096 meter square polishing is, what we'll do, we'll multiply both to find out the total cost. It is rupees 30.14 approximate. So therefore the cost of polishing a circular tabletop is rupees 30 and 14 paise approximate. So in this way you can simplify your question number 8.